The first thing we want you to do is go up here to your name and go to your profile. What you will do in your profile is you'll make sure all of this information is correct. You can put in your own image, you can put in your name and email address, and you are going to want to change your password to something different. Currently, it's going to be CITO 2024 exclamation point. So you put that current password in there, but then put in a new password. We don't want you to keep that password. And if you want to have two-factor authentication, or if your organization requires it, you are welcome to do that here. It's your choice. But be sure to press save after you enter this information so that you can save each of these little panels. So that's the very first thing you want to do, is get your own profile information up to date. Now, also for normal users, this is going to be their first step too, is they will go to their name, they will go to their profile, they will make sure that their information is correct, they will add a new password that is for them, and if they want two-factor authentication, they can also do that here. The next step, and just as a note, we require secure passwords. So they likely are going to need a number, a letter, and a what are they called? A symbol within them. I don't know what the exact rules are, but we will make it not 100% too easy. It can't be like your name. Okay. So the next place that we are going to go to once your profile is set up is for the managers, and we will go over a little bit about what the different roles are and what they mean, is you're going to go to your organizational profile or organization profile. So here's where you update your organization information. You can throw in your logo there, make sure your organization name is here. So this is the name that you want to be called. There is a national database name that may not be what you want to be called, and it is very possible that Emma has already gone into everyone's account and updated this to what the actual national database name is, if it's different from the organization name. So if there is a word here, don't change it, because that is needed in order to line up directly with the national database. If they're the same, then it will pull from here if there is no information here. But for now, don't touch this. Your state, your address, your city, zip code. If you have a permit license number, that can go here. And then the contact details for your organization. This is really important, and this needs to be kept up to date, because if there is any reason that we need to contact you, or if there's an issue or a problem or something, or even if we need to send out updates that need to go to like each organization, this is the person that we will use as the main contact for that organization. So choose who that person is going to be, and it's very important that it's up to date and that person still exists at the organization. So we're not emailing someone that actually we shouldn't be emailing. So please be sure to update contact information, update the profile after you fill that out, and then your organization profile information is all set. No questions so far? It's pretty easy. Fill in the blanks. We tried to keep this incredibly simple so it wasn't complicated for anybody. All right.